Welcome back to Wise Intuition. In today's video, I want to gently expand on what we've been discussing about your energy blueprint. That deeper part of you that holds the original design for your physical, emotional, and energetic balance. You've never truly been broken. At your core, you carry the original instructions for health, for calm, for balance. But over time, life layers on experiences, emotions, and stress that begin to distort those instructions, not destroy them, simply cloud them. This is where energy healing, and especially energetic blueprint work, becomes so powerful. Because you are not trying to create something new. You're simply working with your body to reconnect to what's already there. Inside your body, every cell operates through a complex interaction of electrical signals, frequency patterns, and information fields. These energetic patterns carry the instructions that tell your cells how to divide, how to repair, how to respond to stress, and how to maintain balance. When your system is in alignment, this flow of information is clear, steady, and efficient. You feel good, mentally, emotionally, and physically. But when stress, trauma, chronic emotional patterns, or environmental toxins interfere, it's like static being introduced into a clear radio signal. The instructions become harder for your body to follow. This is where energy becomes blocked. It's not that your system forgets how to heal, it simply has trouble accessing the clean signal of its original design. Our emotions carry charge, quite literally. Every thought, feeling, or memory creates a corresponding energetic signature in your system. Positive experiences strengthen coherence in your field. But unresolved emotions, chronic worry, grief, or fear can create areas of energetic distortion, like knots in your field, where energy can't flow freely. When these areas accumulate over time, your physical body may start to feel the weight of them. Fatigue, pain, chronic tension, digestive issues, sleep disturbance, anxiety. Often we chase these symptoms around the body, trying to fix each one. But the root is often energetic misalignment. What's important to know is that these emotional imprints are not permanent. Your energy field is designed to release and realign when given the proper space, attention, and instructions. This is where your energetic blueprint is so remarkable. Within the deeper layers of your biofield is a kind of master template, a stored memory of your original design, untouched by life's experiences. Some refer to this as your higher self, your divine intelligence, or simply your core blueprint. Even when layers of emotion or trauma create temporary distortion, this master blueprint remains intact beneath it all. When we begin to clear static from the field through breath, grounding, intention, and specific vibrational work, your system naturally realigns with that original code. The instructions become clear again. Healing is not forced, it unfolds. This is why energy healing can sometimes feel gentle, yet profound. Because you are not overriding the body, you are allowing it to remember. As we continue these videos, we will begin introducing simple ways to communicate directly with your body's energy field, what I often call energetic codes. These codes are not mysterious or magical. They are precise patterns of energy, voltage, and frequency that your cells, your nervous system, and your field already recognize. When we speak these codes, we are simply delivering clear instructions back into your energetic system, like tuning a piano string back to its correct pitch. In time, we'll explore exactly how these codes work, why your voice and your intention are powerful activators, and how your body responds to these precise energetic commands to restore balance. But for now, simply know this: your body holds the wisdom. The codes are already written inside of you. Our work is simply to reconnect you with them. Thank you for spending this time with me today. As you continue this journey with wise intuition, we'll gently move deeper into understanding how your energetic blueprint holds the secret to your healing, and how we can work with it in a way that feels safe, aligned, and fully supportive. If this message resonates with you, stay with me for what's coming next. Check out the links in the description for more information. Your healing has already begun.